Hey guys, it's Key and Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning to another video. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. And guess what? If you hit that subscribe button, within 3 years, you will become a millionaire. You do not want to miss that opportunity. So if you want to become a millionaire, hit that subscribe button. All right, so we got a video here loaded, locked and loaded, ready to go. Right? So we got this guy here. He do not know how to trade, and he's trying to flip some money. Right? Over here at Key Life, we call that gambling. When you're trying to flip that money, especially in a short period of time, we call that gambling. So over here at Key Life Trading, we don't do that. All right, so let's type in the video.
Here, this will be good.
Oh, wow. Okay, you got some nice cars. I like that. I like that.
What's up? Our Uber was late, and we just started walking. We're gonna meet him, and then he just decided
turn up the volume.
So we just walked here. Alex is one of the world's top leading day traders.
So one, I don't know any of these guys.
What I'm doing.
If you guys know any of these guys, if you know any of these guys, put in the comment section and put me onto game. Who's that guy right there on the left, and who's that guy on the right? Yes, they're talking about them, but I never seen them before. So put me onto game. All right, do not leave me out.
We're gonna turn $10,000 into $1 million in one day. Can we do it?
Yeah.
Are we worried about the market opening?
No, it's open. It's open.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's not good. Is this it?
One thing as a trader I hate, I do not like entering the market if I'm not there at market open. For some reason, it just makes me a little bit anxious. I'd rather see when the market opens versus not. And if you guys have the same issue, let me know. Do you prefer to watch the market open, or you don't have a problem jumping in after the market is open? All right, let me know.
I was expecting like 700 computer screens.
You usually need one.
Really?
Yeah.
Because I was thinking like whenever I get my trading set up, I was gonna have like 18 of them.
That does not make you more money.
You don't really need to have all these screens. I do.
I actually have zero clue what I'm doing at all. I thought this would be an interesting video because Alex, how long have you been doing this?
Like 7 years now.
Oh damn, okay. For someone like as successful as you at this, could I figure this out in 2 to 3 months?
No shot.
Oh, okay, yeah. I was gonna just like dump.
Guys, let me break or bust your bubble, right? If you're trying to learn how to day trade or trade in any instrument at all, forex, futures, anything, you're not gonna learn in 3 months. If you're thinking you're gonna aim for 3 months and learn how to trade, you're just gonna waste your time. You're gonna lose a lot of money, and that's also gambling. And over here is Key Life Trading. We do not gamble, like I said before, but do not try to aim for 3 months. And even if you're a seasoned trader or you know somewhat of trading or like the basic, 3 months is still not enough time. All right, so just get that in your head. Do not think that you're gonna become a profitable trader or trader within 3 months. All right, don't stop it.
Dump all my money into it like in one day.
Yeah.
Really?
I mean, you could, but you're gonna lose it all. 100%.
Oh, really?
I mean, this is kind of like gambling, but you have statistics and patterns that repeat themselves.
Okay. So it's a guarantee though.
No, there's no guarantee ever.
I saw you posted something. You're trading live until you make $1 million.
Yeah.
I locked myself in a room until I made over $1 million.
Taking 5 weeks.
Do you guys believe this guy that he locked himself within his room until he made $1 million? Clickbaity. And I'm not gonna lie, I believe this video is like a promo video. I feel like the guy on the left right here paid homie on the right to kind of get him on like do like a collaboration to kind of pump his trading. Maybe he's selling a program or just kind of get his name out there. If I'm wrong, I apologize. I'm not coming for you. Get it how you get it. But it seemed a little bit so far, a little bit like kind of like clickbaity, but who knows? I don't know. I'm a silly day trader. All right.
And we gotta do it in one day.
I mean, I don't know if we're gonna do it in one day, but right now this candlestick just shoots to the moon. Will turn the 10,000 into like 40. Like
oh my gosh.
But that would be
that's
like
reasonable.
It just depends on the volume.
We will need that by the end of today, maybe.
I mean, yeah, that's why I have these here, just in case you lose the money.
That's perfect. This is literally perfect. If we lose this, there's another emergency $10,000.
So right now it's 8:04.
4 minutes late.
The first thing you want to do when you come into the market, you want to find out of all the markets which one have the highest probability of going in one direction versus the other.
In what window? An hour?
I personally like looking within 2 to 3 days. 1 hour is just too high risk, and you can't really make money.
You're jumping in right here and hoping it doesn't drop when you put it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I was actually interested in taking this trade before you pulled up. You would have lost your full 10 grand right there.
Really?
Yeah, all of it.
So you're telling me maybe no Bugatti today?
100% no Bugatti today.
Okay.
This guy's funny. Yo, imagine someone is taking their money just to flip so they can actually buy a car or a house or something of, like, I guess maybe valuable. That would be ridiculous because that's the quickest way to actually blow your money. So if that's like, imagine somebody doing that, like, that would be so ridiculous. Do not do that. Do not try this stuff at home. All right.
Hey, you don't think we need more computer screens?
No,
Okay.
we need one.
Why are you concerned
I'm
about
just
the
worried.
I see so much information.
So we have 2 trades that we can.
Most people have no idea you can place a simple trade on your phone using the Robinhood phone app. In just a few taps each
We can possibly enter. So we could go into a little bit of drawdown. Drawdown is normal. You don't want drawdown to happen. Drawdown isn't good, but it's unavoidable.
I'm down for whatever, as long as there's no risk of losing it.
No, there's 100% risk.
Maybe we start with like $5 or $6.
Facts.
No.
Okay, all of it. All in.
All in?
Well, only if that's good.
Okay. So one more thing is there's nothing wrong with trading with a small amount of money, but you have to understand when you have a small amount, you're gonna make just a small amount as well. So if you're profitable, you're gonna make a small amount, but if you're wrong and you're losing, it doesn't give you much wiggle room to actually stay or continue trading. So if you're looking to start trading, I would kind of advise to say, like, if you don't have that much cash, $500 to $1,000 if you don't have that much cash. And also, even with that small amount, it'll give you a much more what can I say, wiggle room, and then it can help you build some confidence because you're not losing as much money versus if you was trading with like a $10,000 or $20,000 account. So using a small account does have its benefits, but it also have the cons that doesn't really make any sense. But for beginners, definitely aim for a small account and start off that way to build confidence, learn your strategy, and yeah. Anyways, let's tap back in.
Wow.
Pretend this is your money. And
This is not enough to take one trade.
really?
Yeah, I risk like 150 to 200K per trade.
Wait, are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, he's
I mean,
trading
I was
on
gonna do that
leverage.
right now with you.
Oh, you're gonna
Leverage.
risk your money too?
Yeah, 100%.
Okay, you just go for it.
All right, so we're gonna buy NZD/JPY. Usually I was gonna do maybe 100K, 150K. So we're gonna do 110K. 100,000 mine,
Really?
10,000 yours. Yeah. We're betting that the Japanese yen is gonna get weaker and the New Zealand dollar is gonna get stronger. That right
So
there is
basically,
that
he's a
position side. That's
forex
what we
trader.
gotta
He's a
calculate
forex
here
trader.
on the phone. So you see, right now, if we would have entered 5 minutes ago, we would have been in more drawdown. Right now, like your 10,000 would be at 9,000 if you would have.
Oh.
But it's okay. Set and forget.
I did forget. I forgot everything you said so far.
You want to click the buy button?
How much are we buying? What are we? Is this $110,000?
No, this is about 20,000.
We're buying $20,000 worth of I don't even know what right now. That was my last 10,000.
Okay, yeah. Just click the buy.
the buy?
Buy, yeah.
Okay, we're in.
That's only 20% of the position.
We just lost $300.
That's just the cost of doing trade. That's
It
normal.
cost $300 just to put our money in.
Yes, that's normal.
Totally
Buy
fine,
it.
bro.
Buy again? Okay,
Yeah.
wait, you gotta buy it in batches?
Yeah. So we don't pay that much in fees.
Oh, okay.
I see.
I'm just gonna buy it because you're too slow.
This is all our money.
Yeah. So that's 100. Okay, there you go. Technically, right now, negative $700.
Oh my god. Sell it.
No, bro.
Sell it.
No.
This is basically the nightmare of every beginner trader. As soon as they lose a little bit of money, they start panicking. Just like this dude, he looked like he's just ready to just like call it quits. It's just 700 compared to the 10,000 that you have that you're trying to trade. That's not that much. Listen, like he said, like the professional trader here said, drawdown is fine. Drawdown is gonna always happen. Majority of the time, I'm not gonna say always. But there's a high chance that you get drawdown before your initial move, right? So I don't trade forex. I trade stocks, day trade, momentum. So you do get drawdown from time to time, and sometimes it'll just, as soon as you enter, it'll rip right back up. So drawdown is fine, all right. And if you lose a little bit of money in drawdown, it's perfectly fine. Just have a plan, risk management plan. So for example, a regular risk to reward ratio would be 2 to 1. You're risking 1 to make 2, right? Easy.
We're down $4 grand right now. It's okay, but it's alright. Trust the process, bro.
Cody, set and forget. You're not forgetting, you're remembering.
So let's wait for it to jump up just a little, like $10, $12 to sell.
No.
How long do we wait?
This can take 3 hours, 4 hours.
So we just gotta sit here for 3 hours and watch.
I mean, usually this is where I just go do.
Really? And you just come back and maybe you lost.
Well, I'm checking it on my phone as I'm doing.
That's so
So
scary.
like you're doing things but stressed.
No,
okay.
I set and forget.
So you okay? I see. So you don't care.
No, I don't. See, like right now we're down $6 grand, but it's okay.
That's not good.
That's normal.
I'm pulling up my trading app.
Brother, you have no money in Robinhood.
Yeah, but we gotta add funds, okay? So we lost $6,000.
We're fluctuating.
Okay, it's fluctuating.
This is drawdown. This is what we were
okay.
talking about right now.
Right. It's good.
Dude, you have nothing.
Look, I put $40,000 in.
No. You put $5 grand in and you withdrew $40 in profit. You never put 40 grand in, bro. Your deposit.
You didn't make any money, is what you're saying.
But when do you draw the line of the waiting? Like when do you decide to remember again?
Whenever it hits stop loss or take profit.
This is day trading by definition.
Technically, yeah.
And that's illegal?
No, dude, it's fully compliant, bro.
I know you say we can leave. I'm just worried because like if money drops.
No, bro, we're up $7 grand right now.
Okay. Do you have a stress ball? Is that what this is for?
Yeah, that's what
Like, is that actually what that's for?
Yeah.
It's going down.
Bro,
It's going down. Here.
Bro, you look like you're stressing, bro. You gotta
Bro, relax. Relax. Yeah, go take a
It's
walk.
going down.
No, bro, come on.
We're losing money.
Oh wow, he locked him out. Yo, he's just like, yo, calm down. You're making me anxious right now. Get out. Go walk with the dog. Take a walk with the dog. Like, bro, he deadlocked him out. Like, I never thought he was gonna do that. I actually thought he was gonna go out with him and like kind of like just start a conversation with him. But I guess he's just like, get out.
I don't know why he's tripping. Look, he's. What the is he doing, bro?
Sell it.
No.
Pull it out.
No. Oh, shit. We just lost all the profit. We're good.
What was the biggest trade you ever made?
The biggest one that I risked was 300K and I lost it. But the most I've made is about $500,000.
I was thinking about doing that with this. I think as soon as we get back home, we need to buy like maybe 4 or 5 screens.
No.
So we're gonna cut and we're gonna come back in 2 hours when this trade is 5 times the value.
Or we could lose it all. Remember, you gotta get into that.
Here's your iPhone 13 on us.
About time we switched.
Total's got you, Diego. Hey, good luck tonight.
He's gonna let me borrow the Porsche, and we're gonna have fun for a little bit while we're letting our money stack. We could
I like
be
that
doing hard
Porsche.
labor, but instead the idea is mentality, success, and money. Sweet.
Forget to set.
We're gonna do a durability test on one. I'll see if I like it enough to do that. I don't know where to start it. Oh. That's aimed at you, by the way.
I love me some Porsche, but that color, I like it. You know, hopefully eventually one day I can get that, but I definitely like me some cars and I love me some Porsche, you know. Do you like Porsche? Whatever car you like, put it in the bottom. Even if it's a Toyota Camry, put it in the comment section, please.
No, it's not. I'm sorry, Brady, but you gotta lock in, bro. Oh my god. He does not give a no. So the car is sick, but because I love roasting Germany, I will continue with my roasting of Germany. Put together by the engineers at Schwafelschunken. Designed by Sir Joselschwenken Schlubelswaffen. Here he goes again.
That car's fast.
Do these seats not recline?
Lean.
I'm still taking SF90, but the quality is quite great though.
You know how to do it, don't it? Obviously, right?
You can show me how to turn traction off at least.
So you just turn the full tractor, that's you're gonna go.
Hell yeah. Brings us to our ad break while we're making revenue. This video is sponsored by Incogni, a personal data protection system that eliminates spam
Blah, blah,
text
blah.
calls,
I don't know what
emails,
this
and
is.
clears up your personal data from brokers that are using it without your permission.
They have no whole
Protect your
drip
personal
session.
data, prevent data brokers from using it for things they're not supposed to. We're up 80 grand. Oh my god! We're up 80 grand. One Reddit user reported spam calls and texts went down 90%. Download Incogni using code WHISTLIN for 60% off your first yearly plan. Should we move? Yeah. Gotta go, cops are on the way.
What are we doing?
Dude, he has so many cars he can't even fit him in the driveway. That's gonna be me tomorrow after I cash out of this.
You made like 10 grand.
Maybe. We don't know yet.
We're in an R34. We're gonna go look for some Alcolo.
I guess this is how you want to be as a trader. You know, this way. I guess this is the ideal lifestyle for most of you guys. Like, you want to trade, make some money, and then while you're making money, you're outside having fun. That's not a bad. That's not a bad lifestyle. That's not a bad lifestyle at all. Just like trading. Then when you're trading, after that, you go out to have a great experience driving cars, going out to eat, probably traveling. I don't. I wouldn't stop this. I do condone this for some people. For me, I'm gonna be a little bit more laid back. I'll go outside, enjoy myself with the family. I'm a family man. You feel me? So maybe when I have an off time, then I could do stuff like this. But I'm a family man, so I have to spend time with the kids and the wifey. You get it? Yeah.
Where's the Alcolo? I think it's back here.
I don't think they have it. Wait, so if you own it, does that mean that we have to pay for it here or no?
I'll buy it.
Right there.
Really?
Yes.
Alcolo.
That's sick.
Yeah, no, just get a couple.
All right.
We found Alcolo.
They're having too much fun. But anyways, as you can see, I think it was up 80,000 or 10,000. But either way, we're gonna cut the video short. And as you can see, he was a no trader, and I think he made some profit at the end of the video. But anyways, please like, subscribe to the video, and also follow the Discord. All that stuff will be in the description. Thanks for tuning in to that Key Life Trading Life. All right, so I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.